of the Commodore Colt video. This one is going to be about this 20 megabyte Epson hard drive. When I was on the clock, I took the hard drive out, greased and oiled the bearing shaft for the stepper motors, for the stepper motor that controls the head, excuse me. Then I plugged it in, took the top of the hard drive apart, well, the top cover off, so I can look inside for any damage. Plugged it in to my test bench power supply, which is somewhere over here. Okay, that's my test bench power supply. And hard drive still didn't want to boot, so I took the precaution of just like spinning and touching or spinning the player just a little bit, and it spun right up. So I turned it off. Well, unplug the power supply because there's no switch to turn it off, and then I greased and oiled the bearing for the stepper motor for the pliers as well. Cleaned off the excess anything. I let it sit a while. Plugged it in again. Still spun right up. So I'm going to go check and see if it will get detected on the Colt. Make sure that all the cables are in place. Make sure that all the screws are in place. Good. Let's go ahead and move the keyboard out of the way, I should say. And then let's go ahead and turn it on. See if it detects the hard drive this time. Still detects the parallel name RTC without any problems. Still counting the memory. It's going to be counting up to 256 in a few. Yep. Okay. Let's see if the hard drive actually works this time. I wouldn't be surprised if it's going to work, but it's probably not going to get. It's probably going to say no hard drive found again. Or it's probably going to say it's quote unquote found, but it's not going to spin up. Still not even detecting the hard drive. Gotta go do some more work on that. Probably get a good whack to get the start. And the other thing I'm doing is I'm upgrading my MacBook to the latest version of macOS. There we go. That worked. Spanking it with the screwdriver fixed it. I gotta go grease that some more. That's probably what it is. The bearing on that needs more lubrication. Now let's see if it'll actually boot for real this time. Oops. I forgot to. Forgot to remove the diskette. Whoops. Alright, let's try that for reals this time. This time without the diskette in it. It's probably going to say I heard something from the hard drive. Oh, it looks like it booted. Okay. Okay, looks like it booted. Good morning. Enter your selection. Okay, so it looks like it booted. Granted, the time and date is not set appropriately, but oh well. Let's see here. Looks like there's a copy of Lemmings on here. CD Lemming. So it's CD Lemming. Unless I put L accidentally. Oops. Let's do a server for that. Let's see. Oops. F3 is stupid. Let's see if we type the word TND in here and see if it boots. That's probably the earlier version of Lemmings. I'm not exactly sure. Let's see. Where is ESC on this keyboard? Right next to the numlock. Let's see here. How do I do control delete on this thing again? Where the heck is the delete key? It's ain't doing anything. I have to do a hard reset. So on the plus side, the hard drive does boot. It just needs more. It just needs some more love with the spindle, because it's a little bit on the rusty side, a little bit on the soft side. So it does boot. It shows the, well, I can't. It doesn't show the correct time and date, but oh well. Let's see here. Time to exit. CD L E L I G Lemming. See if we do EGA on this one. Press any key. Welcome to Lemming Land. So it looks like this is the shareware version of the program itself, of the computer game itself. Let's see, computer or compatible. Choose one, option 1, enter. Oh. Okay, so yeah, it looks like, yeah, it's the shareware version of it. So it looks like it's the original shareware. Let's go to its again. The keyboard layout itself almost looks, well, actually it is an XT keyboard layout, but oh well. Let's see here, there's Tetris on here, so let's go ahead and open up Tetris. I think Tetris is the command. Nope, that's not it. I have to do door for that one. Let's see. RTTRS. Okay, that was a little bit close. Oh, hang on. Hang on. TTETRS. Let's see. TTETRS. Let's see what happens when I do that. I'm gonna use joystick now. Because I don't have a joystick. Alright. Oops. It opens up the other program. Let's see. Oh, X, Alt, Z. Which one's Control? Q? Oh, Control Q. Okay, there we go. Let's run the EGA version of it. This is the Playtronics video signal. I wouldn't be surprised if it'll work on this computer. And if I can answer. Oh, that didn't work. Let's see here. Tetris. So let's see. R-T-E-T-R. Yeah, so let's see what color that is in here. Resonant Tetris by Spectrum. Tetris and press Control Shift T to play Control Shift T. Okay, yeah, that's not working out very well. Control Q. Control Shift Q. Control Q. How do you quit this game? Desk. There we go. Let's look at the other directories here. Okay, there's easy. Print mess. What the heck is that? CD print mess. Printmas. Let's see here. Probably gonna say nothing found. Yep, nothing found. PM. Let's run that real quick and see what that software is for. Data error. PMing. I'm gonna say the same thing. Nope. Okay. Oh, okay. So that's like the making greetings cards, banners, stuff like that. I think it's pretty cool. Never seen that before. Let's see here. CHK, DSK. Looks like there's a person's name on there. Looks like I could run them scan disk on this computer. This is probably not even a program to see CD does. There's gotta be a command that allows you to. Actually, I'm just going to shut this off now. Oh, she's downstairs sleeping.
Go get her up here then.